Qualities of people with Aries Sun Sign. Individuals with an Aries Sun Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the fiery and assertive nature of Aries. Here are some common qualities associated with people having an Aries Sun Sign. Energetic and ambitious. Aries Sun individuals are full of energy and enthusiasm. They have a natural drive and ambition to achieve their goals. They are often initiators and go-getters, always ready to take on new challenges. Assertive and independent. They have a strong sense of self and are not afraid to assert themselves. Aries Sun people are independent and self-reliant, preferring to take charge and make decisions on their own. Courageous and adventurous. They have a fearless and courageous nature. Aries Sun individuals are not afraid to take risks and embrace new experiences. They have a thirst for adventure and enjoy pushing their boundaries. Competitive and determined. They have a competitive spirit and a strong sense of determination. Aries Sun people thrive in competitive environments and strive to be the best. They have a relentless drive to succeed. Quick thinkers and action-oriented. They have quick minds and are known for their ability to think on their feet. Aries Sun individuals are action-oriented and prefer to jump into action rather than overanalyze. They are decisive and efficient. Impulsive and spontaneous. They have a spontaneous and impulsive nature. Aries Sun individuals often act on their instincts and can make quick decisions without much deliberation. They enjoy living in the moment and embracing spontaneity. Leadership qualities. They have natural leadership qualities and often find themselves in positions of authority. Aries Sun people have a natural charisma and are able to inspire and motivate others. They are not afraid to take the lead and guide others. Passionate and fiery. They have a passionate and fiery nature. Aries Sun individuals bring enthusiasm and intensity to everything they do. They have a strong desire to pursue their passions and can be very enthusiastic about their interests. Direct and honest. They value honesty and straightforwardness. Aries Sun people are known for their direct communication style and their ability to speak their mind. They appreciate authenticity and expect the same from others. Short temper and impatience. They can have a short temper and be impatient at times. Aries Sun individuals can become easily frustrated when things don't go their way or when they encounter delays. It's important for them to learn patience and anger management. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets and the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.